Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, this person that gifted me that pink short, wrist last time, just gifted me again, so, a little surprised. Okay, let's see what it is. I'm closing my eyes and I'm gonna open in 3, 2, 1. Hopefully hopefully I clicked on the gift. Okay, opening my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That's it. I quit. Just kidding, guys. Never quit. But, wow. Golden Paw. Why did you? Are you serious? Golden Paw. Oh my god. No. Why do you do this to me? I can't believe she gifted that. Oh my god. Okay. I'll gift you, this, since I have 2 of it. So, there you go. My gosh. Wow. I can't believe. Oh, look, it's my buddy. I wish I could still talk, but I can't. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. That's, oh, it looks so fluffy. Super fluffy. Phil's spirit. Aw, looks like you quit. That's sad. Let's see. That's cool. I'll give that a like. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Oh, look, it's a bee. That's cool. Oh, where's the... Okay, let's see what else. Oh, this is so pretty. Even though I didn't look at it yet, but yeah, giving that a like. And I'm lagging again. That's nice. Okay, I am lagging again. Wait. What is this? Oh, that's cool. That looks peaceful. And, oh, it's the Starry Night one. It looks like he quit. But, okay. I don't know why people quit. They probably just think that the game isn't fun anymore. Oh no. Looks like he's been on 2 days ago, but, he probably, oh, it's a dog. Yeah, I'm just looking at these masterpieces, because, like, oh my gosh, it's a candle crock. I don't know, the Mona Lisa. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, guys, so, just, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. So, I'm gonna just, like, see what's new. Lucky coffee table. That's interesting. Leprechaun shoes. Yes, that's beautiful. I'm sorry, guys. I just woke up, so, yeah. Oh no. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, the leaves fell off. That's nice. Okay. I feel like the seasonal tree, like the pink flowers, are growing every day, so that's pretty cool. I still can't believe this person gifted that. Wait, no. This should be my 30 subscriber giveaway. This black rare spiked wristband right here. that'll be my 30 subscriber giveaway. And, wait, no. The pink one was already one. So then this will be my 50. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so let's just check real quick the subscriber count. Help a small YouTuber grow. My goal for 2018 is 5,000 subscribers. Let's do this. That's cool. How do I do that? Because I want to try. Because I really like to. So, 21 subscribers. Yes, guys, we are going up. Okay. So happy we're going up. Yay. Okay. So we're going up. That's good. So to win the, oh my god, that voice. To win the rare spiked wristband, just comment down your username on this video or the other video or the third video from like my latest right now, and then I will add you to the giveaway and we will see who will win. I wonder, okay, so I wonder if I can chat again. I don't know if I can. Can I chat again? Oh yes, guys, I can chat again. Yay. Wow, drama. Okay. Okay, so I can now chat again. I can finally talk. Wait. The person who sent that. You're so nice. I'm gonna give them one more thing because, like, they gifted me, the spike thing. I'll gift them my last rare bow and arrow because I usually don't wear that. So, you can have that. Wanna make a vid? My gosh, yes, thank you. XD. I'm already making one. Okay, guys, so there, I'm already making one. Hopefully she sees this right now. And yay, I can chat again. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video off here. I'll be posting one in a few minutes. See, you scared me. Yes. Sorry. Okay. But I'll be ending this video so I can make another one. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and shout outs to Golden Paul for that gift. Thank you so much again. And shout outs to you for dabbing on him. Yes. And it's awkward. Yep. So make sure you subscribe and get to 30 subscribers, and then I'll do that giveaway. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.